Construction of angles with compass. We can construct angles which are the multiples of 15 with the help of compass, like 15 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 130, 5, 150, 165, 180. Now for that, draw a ray AB. And give a name to this ray as AB. Now we have to construct angle at a point A. For that, take any measurement in this compass and draw a semicircle. Now without changing the measurement in this compass, draw an arc on this semicircle. Divide the semicircle into 3 parts. Now you all can see here that this is the point of intersection of 2 arcs. Now you join the point A and a point of intersection of these arcs. Now this angle is of 60 degree. This angle is of 120 degree. This angle is of 180 degree. Now to draw the angles like 30, 90 and 150, for that divide the given angles. Now you join this point A and the point of intersection of these 2 arcs. This is angle 30 degree. Now again divide this angle, divide this angle and join this point of intersection and a point A. Now divide this angle also and now join the point A and the point of intersection of arcs. Now this is angle 150 degree. Now to draw the angles 15 degree, 45, 75, 105, 135, 165, divide these angles further. Now join the point A and the point of intersection of these arcs. This is angle 15 degree. Now divide this angle to get an angle of 45. Now to draw an angle of 75, draw an arc from these 2 points and then join the point A and the point of intersection of these 2 arcs. This is angle 75 degree. Now to draw an angle of 105, divide this angle into Now join the point of intersection of these two arcs and a point A. This is angle 105 degree. Now to draw an angle of 135, draw an arc from this point and from this point. Now to join the point A and the point of intersection of these two arcs. This is 135 degree. Now to draw an angle of 165, divide this angle and draw an arc from these 2 points. Now you join this point A and a point of intersection of these 2 arcs. This is 165 degree. Now these are the required angles we can draw by using compass. Now you can see here 15 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 165 degree and 180 degree. These are the required angles that we can construct by using a compass.